Today I will show you how to add a wind speaker onto your slot machine. We will go over double numbers, triple numbers, and specific numbers. You will need the slot machine from my other tutorial to do this. If you don't have it already, go watch it. These are the materials you need. All of them can be found at Allen's Auto Logistics. Only the things under general are required. If you don't need, like, let's say double number, you don't have to get it. This does not include the materials needed for the slot machine. Alright, the first thing we're starting with is obviously going to be general. Put all 3 transmitters onto all 3 randomizers just like this. Then connect the output of the randomizer to its corresponding transmitter. Then set the value of this transmitter to something 1. It can be anything like slot 1, thing 1, or test 1. Just make sure it doesn't interfere with any other receivers on the property. I will be using the keyword of test. Then set the middle one to something 2 and set the last one to something 3. Alright, we're done modding the actual slot machine. Let's go over here to actually start doing the logic needed for this. First, move your 3 receivers where you want them to be. I recommend doing them all 3 side by side. Then move your number combiner in front of the receivers like this. Then connect your receivers to the number combiner. Make sure to connect it just like this. Then set your receiver's value to the keywords you used for the transmitters on the slot machine. For me, it would be test 1, test 2, and test 3. Number 2 should always be in the middle. To test if the number combiner is spewing out the correct numbers, wire the number combiner into another random logic component, but make the wire go near the slot machine so that you can actually see what's inside the wire. Then you can test it. As you can see, the number is reversed in my wire. If the number in the wire is reversed, you will have to change the values of the receivers from test 1 to test 3 and test 3 to test 1. The middle receiver will not need any changes if it's reversed. Now you can see it's not reversed. After making sure that works, you can delete the wire. We are now officially done with general. Let's start with specific number. This can be used for 777, 123, or any specific number. If the slot machine rolls onto that specific number, then the speaker will speak. Alright, let's get started. First, put your AND gate where you want it. Then, put your number interface where it is easy to connect to one of the AND gate's inputs. The input does not matter. Then, put your delay behind the AND gate, where it is easy to connect the AND gate and the delay together. After that, put your speaker in front of the delay, where it is easy to connect the delay and the speaker together. Then, connect the output of your number combiner into one of the inputs of the AND gate. After that, connect your number interface to the other input of the AND gate. Then, connect the output of the AND gate into the delay and the delay into the speaker. Set your number interface to whatever you want the wind number to be, so in this case I will be setting it to 123. Set the speaker's value to whatever you want the wind message to be, so in this case I will be setting it to 123, yay win. Make sure the delay is set to 2 or higher. And there we go, we're done with the specific number. Now we can move on to triple number. Basically, triple number is like 111, 222, and so on. Alright, let's get started. First, place your 3 AND gates just like this. Make sure your delay is positioned behind the last AND gate so that the last AND gate can connect to the delay easily. After that, connect the bottom 2 AND gates output into the inputs of the top AND gate. And connect the output of the top AND gate into the delay. Now we have to connect the receivers to the AND gates, so pay attention. Connect this receiver into this node of this AND gate. Then connect the middle receiver into these 2 nodes of these 2 AND gates. And then connect the last receiver into this node of this AND gate. Then put your speaker behind the delay. And then connect the delay to the speaker. Set the delay to 2 or above. Make sure to also set your speaker to the wind message you want. And there we go, let's move on to double number now. So first, put your 3 AND gates all side by side like this. Then place your number interface somewhere like here. Then place your relay where it is easy to connect the number interface to the left input of the relay. Set the number interface to 10. Connect the number interface to the left input of the relay. Then connect all 3 outputs of all 3 AND gates into the right input of the relay. Now we are going to connect the receivers to the AND gates, so pay attention here. I will use blue wires for clarification. First, connect the left receiver into these nodes of these AND gates. Then connect the middle receiver into these nodes of these AND gates. Then connect the last receiver into the remaining nodes of the AND gates. Alright, good. Put your delay behind the relay just like this. And then put the speaker behind the delay just like this. Connect the relay to the delay and the delay to the speaker. Set the delay to 2 or above. And there you have it, all three laid out right here. Now everything is fully functional. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you again next time.